Be.
Simple tenses. Simple present.
I am. You are. He is. She is. It is. We are. You are. They are.
Simple past.
I was. You were. He was. She was. It was. We were. You were. They were.
Simple future.
I will be. You will be. He will be. She will be. It will be. We will be. You will be. They will be. Be.
Continuous, progressive, tenses. Present continuous.
I am being. You are being. He is being. She is being. It is being. We are being. You are being. They are being.
Past continuous.
I was being. You were being. He was being. She was being. It was being. We were being. You were being. They were being. Be.
Perfect tenses. Present perfect.
I have been. You have been. He has been. She has been. It has been. We have been. You have been. They have been.
Past perfect.
I had been. You had been. He had been. She had been. It had been. We had been. You had been. They had been.
Future perfect.
I will have been. You will have been. He will have been. She will have been. It will have been. We will have been. You will have been. They will have been. Be.
Conditional. Conditional simple.
I would be. You would be. He would be. She would be. It would be. We would be. You would be. They would be.
Conditional perfect.
I would have been. You would have been. He would have been. She would have been. It would have been. We would have been. You would have been. They would have been. Be.
Subjunctive. Present subjunctive.
I be. You be. He be. She be. It be. We be. You be. They be.
Past subjunctive.
I were. You were. He were. She were. It were. We were. You were. They were.
Past perfect subjunctive.
I had been. You had been. He had been. She had been. It had been. We had been. You had been. They had been. Be.